Today we have to discuss about NoSQL. There we know that the appearance of a NoSQL database mm, has done a deal to shake up and open the world of databases. But with databases we have discussed, here is only part of picture of polyglot to spend the some time discussing the solution that don't easily fit into NoSQL bucket. For that purpose, there is a genesis of NoSQL. So file system, we are familiar with the concept of we have to we know the file system database file systems are almost ubiquitous, means in the last couple of decades they have been widely, but not for the enterprise application. Means what? Databases are no common, sorry, databases are very common, no doubt, but file systems are personal productivity documents. So it is important that it is used for enterprise application. They don't advertise any internal structure, those stores with hierarchical order, as per we have seen in last lecture. So they also provide the little control. Concurrency means what? When there is a simultaneous operations, that time we can say that is the concurrent one. NoSQL only provides the single aggregation there. So file systems have the advantage of being widely implemented there. So well, with very large entities such as video and audio to index media assets to stored in files. So file also work very access, sequential access, such as there is a streaming which can be handled uh, easily. So in a recent attention to the clustered environment, it has been rise of distributed file system. We know that when we have taken the admission for DSMS database management system, in latter year there was the relational database management system, but now on your PG level, here it is distributed database management system. So the technologies like the Google file system and the Hadoop there, replications of file. So much of the discussion of MapReduce about the manipulation of large files on the cluster for automatic splitting of large file into the segments to be processed on multiple nodes. So indeed the common entry with the NoSQL from the organization, uh, the file system is work with best relatively, and the that can be processed in the big chunks there. So preferably here, the streaming style, the large number of small files generally perform badly. And this is where the data store becomes the more efficient. So files also provide the no support for the queries without additional index tools there. So here there is a event sourcing, means what? Here there is on the persisting the all changes to the persistent states. Uh, that is the typical system. Like if you look toward the find that, or you can see that there is a genesis of NoSQL. There is a the social comforting drive innovations here on Google, Yahoo, Facebook, MySpace. Means what? These are the different types of websites, and their different databases are used there. Suppose in the Facebook there is a Cassandra. Suppose we look towards the Amazon, there is a React. So these types of are used, but uh, it is failed because agility and the cost and the issue in the region and the innovation. So talk about the NoSQL at its core and increasingly crowd space. So to shift is to be the NoSQL. So traditional DBMS scale architecture. If you look towards this figure, then you will see it. There is a CPU destroying their mapping because of the means what? There is a limitations for the storage or the other things. So the traditional DBMS scale architecture is inefficient here. Then also NoSQL at its core. Core means its major, the first part was this figure. The application driven schema and the horizontal skill out, distribution and partition is shown in this figure. So there is a need of shift, means relation change. So relations really change. To stop the recalculating, do you need to all of your data in one place? So you don't, you can. And for this distribution, uh, the beyond database, that is the beyond news